apartment building in Redwood City. Oh! Oh!
IECO? What the heck? Okay. Here we go.
Let's see. See?
Huh. Dude, this is like one of the many swing doors we found where like it's just mismatched call stations.
So they either totally replaced this whole COP or is this some weird...
No, this... I think the call stations were replaced. So I've never seen... Well, I've seen some Atlases with GAL, but I don't think they would change the COP.
Yep. Yeah, definitely a replacement.
The motor's replaced too.
Just because I'm curious, let's see what the call station has on one.
And carpet walls.
This is at 75 Arch Street here in Redwood City. It's very scratched up. Look at that door give.
That was...
Want to check the second floor?
Probably that too. Stop switch is broken off.
Most of the actual buttons are in pretty decent condition besides 3.